Church throughout the nations, live from Telegracia International Studios. Prepare to receive the desired of all nations, the King of Kings, Lord of Lords, Dr. José Luis de Jesús, the man Christ Jesus.
Yo, Jesucristo hombre.
Well, today's topic is the creation groans. God's creation is groaning. The Apostle Paul spoke to us in Romans 8, verse 22 and 23, where it says, "For we know that the whole creation groans and labors with birth pangs together until now." This is Paul speaking 2,000 years ago. And not only that, but we also who have the first fruit of the Spirit, even we ourselves groan within ourselves, eagerly waiting for the adoption, the redemption of our body. This topic hasn't been spoken for almost 2,000 years. The gospel was written, but by not explaining it, the word adoption is taboo for the Protestant system. They don't understand these terms. The redemption of our bodies, they don't understand these terms. Therefore, all these years, it's no longer labors of pain now. You're in the hospital, about to go into labor. You're about to give birth. The beloved has the tools. It's ready. It's edified with the true gospel, the gospel of the uncircumcision. So now she can give birth. She can now give birth to that new creation, that transformation that we are waiting for. We are in prophetical times, in the final days, where our hearts are beating. I received so many emails, and the bishops, when they write to me, they say, "Apostle, we receive your transformation soon." And they are wise. Why? Because if I'm transformed,